Hey boo, so in today's video, I am bringing the skincare clinic to you. I am so excited to share these 5 at-home spa treatments that I personally recommend as a licensed esthetician. These treatments are not only safe, they are also beginner friendly. So whether you are a pro at getting your glow on or you're a skincare newbie, this video will help you out so much. And the best thing is you can incorporate this into your skincare routine that you already know, love, and trust. They are going to amplify your results and at the same time give you like a luxurious spa-like experience right from the comfort of your own home. So if you ever felt like your skincare routine was missing something but you just couldn't put your finger on it, these tools are what you've been looking for. They're going to give your routine a boost. Especially with women like you. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through a standard skincare routine. A basic skincare routine is to cleanse, tone, moisturize. If it's daytime, you would then protect with SPF, and if it's nighttime, you would include to lock in all of that moisture and seal everything in for that AM juicy goodness, bouncy, plump, beautiful skin. And an advanced facial will have things like extractions, chemical peels, radio frequency. I'm going to be sure to show you one of those in the future, so subscribe now so that you won't miss. So the star of today's skincare regimen is the Avo Cosmetics Clear Skin Kit. It's an all-natural, vegan, and organic 4-step system designed by me because my skin was going through the most horrific stage ever. I spent tons and tons of money on all these fancy ingredients. Nothing was working. Everything made it worse. And I said, I know this can't be life. I know you lying. So I pulled back and I went all natural, vegan, and organic, and that is the only thing that worked. So when I discovered that it worked for me, I knew immediately that I would have to bring it to you. And even though my current skin concerns are not the same, I still swear by my kit because it's just a skin saver. It does everything for me. And funny enough, a lot of the treatments that we use to clear up acne are also anti-aging treatments as well. So the cleanser we're using today is the Avo Cosmetics Clarifying Cleanser. This is gentle enough to use every day. It keeps the pores clean, tightens the skin, and removes hyperpigmentation and dark spots caused by acne, sun damage, and aging. The second step is the botanical toner. This is amazingly hydrating. It restores the pH of the skin, is a great antioxidant, and it helps to keep the skin calm. It reduces redness. It's so soothing. Step 3 is the restorative face cream. It's creamy, beautiful, moisturizing, helps to reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, and promote healing of the skin. And the last step in the Clear Skin Kit is the Rapid Dark Spot Corrector. This brightens, combats discoloration, and reduces scarring. And this is going to give you your glide that you need for probably the most important step: massage. So of course you can massage with your hand, but I love to use this tool. This is the T-bar massager. You can cut it on and off. It takes a AA battery, and this is just going to help your face look so much younger. And it's not what I'm saying. This has been scientifically proven that massage promotes collagen production. I love to use it on my 11s, in my smile lines, and I just take my time and I just allow this to vibrate and stimulate my muscles, also encouraging blood flow. This is why you have to be healthy, because when you have the right vitamins and minerals flowing through your blood, they're going to go to your skin. You want to go in with your essence. I love this one by True Botanicals. It is an enzyme essence, and this will help eat away all the little dead, dry skin on your face, helping your complexion look bright and fresh and radiant. You want to go in and do the cryotherapy. Now, I tried using this just underneath the eyes, and when I tell you, my end results were not the same. It's best to go underneath the eyes and sweep outward and just kind of do the whole face in that manner. Cryotherapy calms, soothes, depuffs, as well as reduce pore size. Cryotherapy is so beneficial and revitalizing to the skin. It constricts blood vessels, helping the skin firm up. These guys right here are made out of medical grade stainless steel, and they come in so many fun colors and with this cute case that you store in the freezer. I'm sorry. If you want to make sure that the liquid freezes in the protruding part, then you can store it like this. I like to make sure that the liquid freezes on the bulb because I like to just do the whole entire face. Next, you want to go on with your serum. If you know me, you know I swear by the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. This helps in every way. If you are menopausal or perimenopausal like me, you definitely need this because it helps with irritation, it helps with fine lines, it helps with wrinkles, it helps with dryness, it helps with acne, it's just so good, and it definitely gives you that beautiful glow. This is a staple. I'm never gonna get rid of this out of my skincare regimen. I need this. Whatever they did with this formula, bravo. After your serum, you want to jade roll the skin. The jade roller has been around for ages. It's an ancient beauty secret. The jade stone will help with product penetration, lymphatic drainage, it tones, it tightens, as well as minimize the appearance of fine lines over time. You can keep it in the fridge or not. The jade stone holds like a coolness on its own. It's very magical, and it is the gold standard of beauty treatments. It is not known as the stone of eternal youth for nothing. Now, what I love about this guy is even though it is also battery powered, you don't need it. I do not cut this on. I just take it and use it to sculpt out the jawline, giving myself that nice pointy chin that is associated with youth. An older, more mature face tends to have a wider jawline because of jowls and facial sagging. So you want to take this sculptor and just sculpt out that jaw, and when I tell you, you look snatched after you do this. Like, you can visibly see the results, and you can go on the face as well. I also use it on my face, on my brows, but mainly to sculpt out this jaw. Red light therapy. Now, this guy right here, I like it because it's small and you can like target certain areas on the face. Red light firms, tightens, it improves fine lines and wrinkles, but this product stands out because not only does it reduce the signs of aging, it actually can reverse the signs of aging. It works, it's light, it's travel friendly. You can target with it. I target the smile lines, I target the hairline. The only drawback is that the motor in it works when it wants to, but I tend to like flip the head, and sometimes when you like flip the head and mess with the head, it will kick in. But other than that, this is great. Red light increases moisture retention, and you don't have to worry about safety with this because it's timed. It's gonna cut off on its own, so you don't have to worry about if you're using it too long. Last but not least, of course, you don't want to neglect the lips. I love this lip balm right here by August Bad Seer. They a Sephora girl, but listen, when you use this, right, when I first used this, I was like, okay, ain't nothing special about this. It's like, what? Why this costs a lot of money? But it wasn't until I used it like this. I think it's something with this applicator when you allow the balm and the applicator to like glide on the lips. It's something about this applicator that helps the lips like not be chapped. Like I really cannot explain it, but this is my skincare for my lips. It's not a gloss and it's not an overnight mask or anything like that. It's my skincare for my lip. These devices are going to leave your skin looking firm and lifted, and it's going to feel tight and look refreshed and just be rejuvenated overall. Stimulating the muscles, increasing that blood flow really helps to give the skin a nice, beautiful, healthy glow. And I'm just like you, girl. I prefer to age naturally as well. I do not want to do any invasive procedures. I mean, not right now. I can't see it happening. I have 0 tattoos. I am afraid that stuff hurt. All I see is pain. Look, I ain't doing it, boo-boo. Cleopatra didn't have the option, and baby, she's a baddie to this day. Everybody associates beauty with Cleopatra, and she used all natural stuff. Clock it. But boo, if you did get you some work done, you need these tools too, because I know you didn't go and spend all that money to allow it to go to waste. You have to maintain your results, and you do that with tools like these. All of these tools help to support the skin's health. They keep the skin thick, and I promise you, you are going to be looking younger than ever before. If you like today's video, be sure to subscribe to my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, and it's me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, giving you helpful information just like this, because it is my job to keep you looking good. So that's what I'm going to do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one.
I've been losing friends and finding peace.